Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the trash on the Goodnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, you can find the left bar at the screen and you can find the last option, the trash. Click that, and here if you have any trashed documents, deleted documents, you can check that. For example, the files, the notebooks, the different pages and the folders. And if you want to recover one, just click to the arrow and you can find the delete permanently or the recover option. Just click the recover option, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.